We all know what Lata Mangeshkar was for us and for India. We organized an online music contest for a tribute to Lata Mangeshkar, and we received entries from all over Assam, from Guwahati, from Nagaon, from Hojai, from Golaghat, from Sibsagar, from Jorhat. We received many such entries from all over Assam. All of them sang so beautifully. I myself, I love songs. I love Lata Mangeshkar songs, but I am not an expert in music. So I requested Kaustubh Setia sir to do the honors to be the judge of that of the entries that we received, and I am very thankful to him that he did the judgment, and he selected three candidates, three positions actually. There are two positions for the third prize. So one for the first prize, one for second prize, and two candidates are selected for the third prize. All of them will receive a certificate and cash prizes. The first prize will get a cash prize of rupees 1000. Second prize will get a cash prize of 600, and the two each third prizes will get each rupees 400 each. So yeah, that are the prizes, and Kaustubh Setia sir selected those three positions. So without any further delay, here are the results. The first position goes to Mr. Siddharth Bharadwaj from Lanka Junior College, and he lives in Huzai. So Mr. Siddharth Bharadwaj, we congratulate you on your fine performance and wish you all the best for your career. He is the first prize winner of this contest. The second prize goes to Miss Yasodhara Goswami from Guwahati. She is currently studying at USTM and she lives in Guwahati, Sanmari. So Yasodhara, this is a big congratulations to you from all of us. Keep up the good work. The third prize are jointly awarded to Mr. Hibud Dotto of Pragjotika Junior College. He lives in Titabar, and also to Miss Nemisa Saikya from DCB Girls College, Jorhat. She lives in Borhula. Her hometown is Borhula. So these are the four winners of this contest. I congratulate all of you. To all the other performers, you did well. All of you will receive a certificate of participation. I wish you all the best for your career. Hard luck this time, better luck next time. So from now onwards, you will get to see the winning performances, the first prize, second prize, and the two third prizes, and the songs that they sung. So here we go.
लग जा गले के फिर हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो. लग जा गले हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियां नसीब से, जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से, फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो.
ये जिंदगी उसी की है जो किसी का हो गया, प्यार ही में खो गया. ये जिंदगी उसी की है. ये बाहरी समा कह रहा है प्यार कर, किसी की आरज़ू शमा मेरी मज़ार की फिजा में भी खिली रहे ये कलियां नार की। इसे मज़ार मत कहो, इसे मज़ार मत कहो, ये महल है प्यार का, ये जिंदगी उसी की है।
लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो ना हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म मुलाकात हो ना हो। लग जा गले हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियां नसीब से, जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से, फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो ना हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म मुलाकात हो ना हो। लग जा गले के फिर हंसी रात हो ना हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म मुलाकात हो ना हो। लग जा गले
पिया तो से नैना लागे रे, नैना लागे रे, जाने क्या हो अब आगे रे, नैना लागे रे, पिया तो से नैना लागे रे। रात को जब चांद चमके जल